Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to quickly install and set things up. You can definitely skip this video if you are comfortable with the installation process of these softwares. So let's get started. So the first thing which we will install is JDK 12. Let me quickly do that. This will take a couple of seconds. Let me go with the default locations, and now the installation has started. This is fairly straightforward and I am doing nothing fancy. Here we go. So the installation has been successful. Great. Now let us install JDK 12. Again, the installation will be fairly straightforward and it will take a couple of seconds. And indeed the installation is based on bin, so that is the reason why we again need Java 8. Alright, so the installation has been completed. Great, this is nice, this was quick. And now let us install STS, Spring Tool Suite, and this is fairly straightforward. In fact, let me open this. So in here we have this folder STS 4.2.1 release, and we need not to install anything. We need to simply extract this to a folder and our work is done. Yes, this is so damn simple. So I will simply right click and I will extract it here. It will take a couple of seconds to extract the files, and let me cut this folder and I will paste it inside the C drive. And indeed I will give the name as STS. That's it. Alright, let me minimize this. Let me again open up Spring 5. Now additionally, if you wish to use Eclipse, we won't be making use of Eclipse because STS is nothing but Eclipse itself. But still, if you wish to use Eclipse, you can extract it here as well. And in order to make things very convenient, I usually keep the Eclipse folder or any IDE folder directly inside C drive. So let me move the folder inside the C drive. So we also have the Eclipse. And now let me also create a couple of shortcuts on the desktop. So we need to run this file, which is Spring Tool Suite 4, and I will create a shortcut on desktop. And we will be doing the same for Eclipse if, for example, we wish to use Eclipse. Here we go. And what else we need? Let me minimize this. We have the shortcuts now, right? So this is nice, and let me rename the shortcuts as well. I will rename this as Eclipse and Spring Tool Suite 4. This is nice. Now again, let me open up this folder, and we have IntelliJ IDEA and Apache Tomcat. First of all, let me install Apache Tomcat, and this is fairly straightforward. No rocket science. We will go forward with the default options. Let me click on next, install. This will take a couple of seconds. Done. And we need not to run Apache Tomcat. We will configure it directly inside the IDE. Let me click on finish. And finally, when it comes to IntelliJ IDEA, let me show you, this is a application. Let me show you the type. This is a application. Again, we need to install this. So double click on the setup and run this. This will again take a couple of seconds. Even though we won't be making use of IntelliJ IDEA as of now, but later down the line, as this is a very popular IDE, I will show you how to make use of IntelliJ IDEA with Spring 5. So that is something which I will show you. But before doing that, when you will install, simply select this option of 64-bit installer, create a desktop shortcut. That will help, and update the path variable as well. This is good. Let me click on next and install, and this will again take a couple of seconds to install. Based on the system speed, based on the hardware you have, it may take some time. All right, so currently my hardware, the hardware I am using, is pretty powerful, so it is fairly straightforward. Alright, so the installation is done, and I will restart the system once, and you should do that as well. But as of now, we will select the option of I want to manually reboot later. And once all the installation is done, simply restart your system once and we are good to go. But before that, I can also show you the Spring Tool Soothe right away. There is no issue, and we can directly run this again. It won't cause any trouble. Now in here, definitely there are a couple of things. For example, you may select the workspace, and you may go with the default workspace again, which is inside your My Documents, and you may select this option, use this as the default and do not ask again. We will select this option, but we will change the workspace location. You may go with the default location again. So inside my folder where I keep all the videos, in here I would be creating a new workspace. So it would be like Spring 5 workspace. Here we go, and we will select this folder. Here we go. Let me click on launch, and this will start the IDE. This will be the very first look of Spring Tool Soothe, and definitely we can easily make out that this is nothing but Eclipse, which is optimized for Spring. Alright, so in our next video we will start exploring, and we will try to check how to kickstart a Spring 5 application. Alright, so having said that, this is all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.